Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to name a page in a Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. Okay, now here from the top menu, you see this page 1 of 5, or if I click here, it'll be page 2 of 5. I would just want you to click on this. This will let you manage the pages. Okay, now here we can add a page. So come here, click on add a page, click on page, and we would have a new untitled page right here. Okay, if I click on this one, there we go. I can rename this. I can double click here to rename it. So let's name it answer A is B, for example, right? And then press enter. You have renamed it. Or you can click on these three dots and click on rename and rename that page. Now, of course, you can rename any of the pages you already had. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.